guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Welcome back to week 2 of the $500 swing trading challenge. To prove to you, you do not need thousands of dollars to get started with trading. All you need is a solid strategy. So we are going to be talking about the stocks that we traded, the profits we made, or the losses that we took. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and how I swing trade, the scanners I use, pretty much it's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs. Check out my course, code YouTube, 20% off. Check it out right now. We have private live streams, we have quizzes, we have lectures, pretty much everything you guys must need to get started with swing trading. So check it out down below. But guys, let's jump into this here. So with this past week, we did take one trade, which is actually pretty good, and it was actually a trade that we were holding from last week, just because this trade, it did take a little bit longer than I originally was thinking, and we made near and around 9.7%. We bought in near and around 727, selling all the way up here at $9.97. So now, why did we take this trade? Why did we sell it at this price? That's what we're going to be talking about today. So looking at this chart here, you guys can see I drew this really nice trend line here. Trend lines are beautiful. It's probably one of the most underrated and underused tool that traders don't use. And you guys can see, right, what we're looking for is a minimum of 3 touches on this trend line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and recently 6. So we took a nice trade here near and around 927. Why not lower? Why not higher? Why there? Well, one, it was near and around that trend line, which is super important here. Another reason is looking at the RSI. It was trading for a 37 at that current time, and looking back at the previous points, it was trading for a 37. One was here, one was here, one was here, where we had these huge great moves, right? From here it went from $6.79 to $8. Then from here it went from $7.50 to $8.80. So I had a high indication of a lot of future growth. Another reason why we took it here is as we look at like the hourly chart here and we zoom out, you guys can see that it was stair-stepping its way below it. We found heavy support down here near and around this 716 area, and we were getting this move, this nice reversal going back up. That's why we hopped in, right? Because it hit this nice support, and now it was moving its way up. Had a lot more confirmation when we got that breakout above these moving average lines, and you guys can see one of the reasons why we sold it was because it was starting to stair step its way down. Another reason why we sold it at its current price here is I do a trailing stop loss. A trailing stop loss is a stop loss that just continues to move up higher and higher and higher with the stock. And you guys can see what we do here, or at least what I do, is as the stock goes up, is I set my stop loss below the previous lowest point here. So with the stock going up here for this day, I would set my stop loss near and around 724. This day I would set it near and around 750. Here I would set it near and around 759. Here I would set it near and around this this $8 mark, and that's where we got stopped out. Actually, you guys can see it dip down, and it hit this price here near and around 797, and we sold near and around 798. Excuse me. The next day, sold off, and this is the reason why I do trailing stop loss, is because on these huge moves down, it prevents it. It prevents me from being in on these positions, compared to if you have a 2% stop loss, which is fine. You could still get held into something like this. But guys, this is a very basic strategy that I've used. It's super basic, and the broker that I've used for all my swing trades is Moomoo. I'll put them down below. It's the charting I use, the scanning I use. They're absolutely fantastic, so check them out down below. But guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. But this is everything I did this past week. Now, with our larger account, we did make near around $1,500, which was a lot better. I'll put the full breakdown of that video. And we did take a loss with a large account. So guys, it's always better to trade high quality stocks, with a small account. trade high quality and just focus on these base hits of 1, 2, 3%. And our right now, our total account balance is sitting near around $541, which is really nice. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Take care.